This dance is called That Missing Piece. It's a 32 count, 2 wall, high improver level line dance with 2 tags and 1 restart. Starting on the right foot, you're going to touch your right beside the left, step that right back on the diagonal, touch your left heel forward on the diagonal, step the left in place. Cross the right over the left, step the left to the side, touch that right heel forward on that diagonal, so the 130, step the right in place. Cross the left over the right, step the right to the side, then add on a sailor, quarter turn, stepping forward at the end. So quarter turn left, you cross that left behind the right, side on the right, step forward on the left. A lot of steps in that first section, which means a lot of and counts. That set of steps once more then. Touch and heel off on that right. 7, 8. Touch and heel and cross and heel and cross. Side, sailor, turn. On the and count, you're going to bring the right beside the left, then walk forward 2 steps, left, right. Add on a mambo quarter turn, left foot leading, so you rock forward on the left, recover your weight on that right, make quarter turn left, you step that left to the side. You're then going to go into some little runs. So you're going to run forward 6 steps, each 3 steps is going to make a quarter of a turn to the left. So you run forward, right, left, right, making a quarter of a turn, and then again, left, right, left, making a further quarter of a turn. That set of steps once more then, and walk, walk, off on the right. 7, 8, and walk, walk, mambo, turn, run, 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 run. Now you are actually doing the equivalent of 3/4 of a turn in that section. So your mambo quarter and then those quarter turns on those runs. 3/4 of a turn to the left. Should you need to try and adjust that and take that 3/4 out, what you can actually do, start the same as everybody else and walk, walk. Then instead of doing your mambo, just rock forward on the left, recover your weight on that right, step back on that left. And then you're going to effectively do 6 little runs, making quarter of a turn to the right. So you can run back, right, left, right, and then left, right, left, making that quarter of a turn. So non-turning steps, should you need to try and take that 3/4 of a turn out in that section. So let's add that to the top. Touch and heel off on the right. 7, 8. Touch and heel and cross and heel and cross. Side, sailor, turn and walk, walk. Mambo, turn, run, 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 run. You're going into a 3/8 fall away. So you're going to cross the right over the left, step the left to the side, make 1/8 of a turn to the right as you step back on that right. Step back on the left, make 1/8 of a turn right as you step the right to the side, further 1/8 of a turn right as you step forward on that left. You're then going to rock forward on the right, recover your weight on that left, still facing the 430 diagonal. You're then going to cross the right behind the left as you square yourself up to the side wall 3 o'clock, step the left to the side, make a further 1/8 of a turn left as you step forward on that right, and then on the and count you're going to bring the left beside the right. That set of steps once more then. Fall away off on the right. 7, 8. Cross, side, back, back, side, step, forward, rock, behind, side, step, and. So I've deliberately done that nice and slowly for you so you can see hopefully where all the 1/8 of the turns are in there. Let's add that to the top. Touch and heel off on the right. 7, 8. Touch and heel and cross and heel and cross. Side, sailor, turn and walk, walk. Mambo, turn, run, 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 run. Cross and back, back and step. Forward, rock, behind and step and. You're going to rock forward on the right, recover your weight on that left. Then you go to chassé to the right, putting a quarter turn on at the end, but your first step is going to straighten yourself up to the side wall. So you're doing a 1/8 right, close, quarter turn right. You're then going to rock forward on the left, recover your weight on that right, and add on a coaster step, left foot leading, that close step. That set of steps once more then, rocking forward on that right. 7, 8, forward rock, chassé turn, forward rock, coaster step. Now the choreographer has actually given you an optional turning step in this very last section. So if you wish, rather than doing that normal coaster step, back on the left, right side, left, left, forward, you can actually do a full triple turn in place. So you would do your forward rock, your chassé turn, your forward rock, and then full triple, left, right, left. So optional turning steps, should you wish to add that in at the very end of the dance. Now I'll actually be doing the choreographed coaster step option, but it's up to you whether you want to actually put that in yourself. Now the music is quite fast for this particular dance, so you might want to try it out to start with. So it is the end of the dance when we get to that point. Let's put it all together. Touch and heel off on the right. 7, 8. Touch and heel and cross and heel and cross. Side, sailor, turn and walk, walk. Mambo, turn, run, 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 run. Cross and back, back and step. Forward rock, behind and step. And forward rock. Chassé turn, forward rock, coaster step. As you dance, I'll now go through it with the counts. Touch and heel off on that right. 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. And 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So hopefully that gives you a bit of feel for the timing of the dance. Now it is a 2-wall dance, so let's have a go at the back wall and we'll keep going when we get back to the front so you can see how the walls join together. Touch and heel off on the right. 7, 8. Touch and heel and cross and heel and cross. Side, sailor, turn and walk, walk. Mambo, turn, run, 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 run. Cross and back, back and step. Forward rock, behind and step and forward rock. Chassé turn, forward rock, coaster step. Touch and heel and cross and heel and cross. Side, sailor, turn and walk, walk. Mambo, turn, run, 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 run. Cross and back, back and step. Forward rock, behind and step and forward rock. Chassé turn, forward little bit in that second wall. So that is your dance. Now there are 2 tags and 1 restart in this dance. Your tags are the same and they come at the ends of walls 2 and 5. Quite simply, your tags: forward mambo on the right, rock forward, recover, feet together, back mambo on the left, rock back, recover, feet together. 1 and 2, 3 and 4 count timings. Mambo steps. So wall 2 is our 6 o'clock wall. We'll be facing 12 o'clock when you come to add on the tag. So let's have a go at wall 2, add on the tag and restart the dance. Touch and heel off on the right. 7, 8, touch and heel and cross, side, sailor, turn and walk, walk, mambo, turn, run, 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 cross and back, back and step, forward rock, behind and step and forward rock, chassé, turn, forward rock, coaster, here's your tag, mambo, back mambo, restart, touch and heel and cross, side, sailor, turn. So that's how your tag fits in. Ends of walls 2 and 5. So obviously wall 5 will be your front wall and you'll do the tag facing 6 o'clock. We then have a restart. Now your restart comes on wall 9, which is also your 12 o'clock wall. Halfway through, after 16 counts, you will have just done your run, run, runs, and you restart. Let's take you up to 16 counts, wall 9. Touch and heel, off on the right. 7, 8, touch and heel and cross, side, sailor, turn and walk, walk, mambo, turn, run, 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 restart, touch and heel and cross, side, sailor, turn. So hopefully you can see how that fits in. Halfway through, 16 counts, wall 9. So that is it. That is your dance, your walkthrough, your tag and your restart information. Let's give it a go to the music.
5, 6, 7, 8. Touch and heel and cross, side, sailor, turn and walk, walk, mambo turn, run, 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 cross side back, back side step, forward rock, behind side step, forward rock, chassé turn, forward rock, coaster step, touch and heel and cross, side, sailor, turn and walk, walk, mambo turn, runs, it's your tag wall, cross side back, back side step, forward rock, behind side step and forward rock, chassé turn, forward rock, coast step tag, mambo step, back mambo, touch and heel and cross, side, sailor turn, walk, walk, mambo turn, run, 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 cross side back, back side step, forward rock, behind side step and forward rock, chassé turn, forward rock, coaster step, touch and heel and cross, side, sailor turn and walk, walk, mambo turn, run, 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 cross side back, back side step, forward rock, behind side step and forward rock, chassé turn, forward rock, coaster step, touch and heel. Walks, it's your next tag wall. Cross side back, forward rock, tag, mambo step, back mambo, touch and heel, walk, all the way, forward rock, touch and heel, walk, all the way, forward rock, touch and heel, walk, all the way, forward rock,
because when I'm in a room with you, that missing piece
your restart wall, restart, touch and heel,
It's like when you're far away from me, I get lost in the crowd. Because when I'm in a room with you, that missing piece is found.
Hope you managed that one.